In seconds, say what matters. सेकेंडों में वह कहते हैं जो मायने रखता है. Tensions in West Asia have sent shockwaves across global markets, with Iran's threat to block the Strait of Hormuz, a vital oil passage that handles nearly 20% of the world's crude supply, raising serious concerns. The Indian stock market, too, is feeling the heat, with oil-dependent sectors taking a major hit. Oil marketing companies are among the most vulnerable, as surging crude prices directly erode their margins. Companies like HPCL, BPCL, and IOC struggle to pass on rising costs fully to consumers, leading to shrinking profitability. The aviation sector is also grappling with rising challenges. With airspace closures over Iran and Pakistan and increased operational costs, airlines already under pressure from other headlines are now bracing for higher jet fuel expenses, which make up nearly 30% of their costs. Paint manufacturers face similar concerns. Crude oil derivatives like solvents and resins account for over half of their input costs. A sharp increase in crude prices could squeeze margins for players such as Asian Paints, Berger Paints, and Kansai Nerolac. Automobile companies aren't far behind. From tires to plastics and paints, many raw materials are on it. With input costs rising and consumer demand potentially weakening, car makers face a dual challenge. The impact also stretches to chemicals and fertilizers, which rely heavily on crude-based inputs like natural gas and petrochemical derivatives. Companies in these sectors could see increased production costs, affecting both profitability and supply. Experts warn that if the conflict escalates further, supply chains could be severely disrupted, investor sentiment may weaken, and market volatility could deepen in the coming weeks. Hush sauce, money control. Stay tuned on this short